Alright, we're doing a quick little clean here. A living room and a hallway, right? We're using the Blue Microfiber from Trinity Renewal Systems. We've already got the pre-spray down.
You can see it? It works.
You know, this carpet, if you look kind of close, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera very good. It's pretty worn. It's an older carpet. These older carpets that they've got, see right in here in this spot here, you can see it's all matted down. The fibers are basically deteriorated. But these older carpets they used to use can be cleaned. They switched to some newer carpets lately, and you really can't do a lot with them. They just wear out. In about 2 or 3 months, they're destroyed. Even if people take good care of them, and they can't really do anything with them but replace them. So these carpets, at least you can make them look decent again.
And we got the customer in here with us, but she does not want to get on camera, so we won't put her on.
Switch back over here. On a bright sunny day. It's been freezing temperatures basically almost for the last couple of days, and it's finally warming up.
The other day it's getting warm.
And this is like the second week of April. So you can see us lifting up all the carpet fibers and making the carpet fluffy again.
Now that probably due to the Trinity Renewal Systems microfiber bonnet.
Yeah, that helps.
It's got scrub strips in it, and it really grabs the carpet fibers. I mean, it's amazing. I've never used a microfiber bonnet before, and I'm blown away with this. I'm going to order some more of them too. They're that good that I want to have a few of them in my.
That is awesome.
Yeah, it's doing a good job. Makes the carpets look new again. I'll put a link in the video description where you can go find these microfiber pads. And they have a deal if you mention Joe Wheeler. They'll give you a discount if you order a 10-pack of them. Now that's during the time of this video. It's subject to change without notice. But if you're watching this video right now, you can call them and ask them. I'll put all the information in the description. And they're a good little pad. Looks like it's sliding around on you a little bit.
It never did get put under.
Yeah. We're using it. Is that the older pad driver that's just worn down a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
The one that guarantees without terrible bonnet.
Yeah, we've got an Oreck driver on there that's an older one that was used for a couple of years, and it doesn't tear stuff up as much as a new one would. So we're not using a Velcro modified pad driver on this. We're just using a worn down Oreck driver because it's got better grip. But you can still see that it can slide around a little bit on there once it gets wet. Yeah, as it's absorbing the pre-spray that's down on the carpet, that pad's getting heavier and heavier. And trust me, those pads hold a lot. When we go and wash that out later, it'll be black water coming out of it for quite a bit. Because
Let me flip this bonnet real quick.
Yeah, do the work the other side a little bit.
Well, I'll just
hold that up for a second. Yeah. One nice thing about these pads that they sell, they're segmented. You can see it's got the cut in it like a pizza cut, but it also has the bullseye circles at the same time.
So the foam that's in there will not, it won't
yeah,
migrate.
look at all that hair stuck to it.
You got hair in here, massively.
Hair here. But anyway, all that foam sewn into each individual spot, so that will help it to keep the foam in retention. A lot of times on a rotary or a big orbital machine, they're slinging that pad around so fast that it moves the foam out to the outside edges as you work.
I'm actually done with the room. I'm just running over just for fun. Just over the traffic lane area.
But you end up, with other pads, you end up having a wet slinging donut that you're swinging on, all the weight's on the outside edges.
Now the customer without getting on camera, are you satisfied? Are you real happy?
She's shaking her head no, Jay.
Yeah.
No, she said she is.
Well, most people have never seen this method done before, especially here in Brownwood, Texas. So we're the only guys in the area doing it. And the people who see it, they like it. If you've never seen it before, it's like, how does that clean the carpet? It's like, well, watch. It'll clean it. It absorbs it. Oh, by the way, we're not spraying the dirt around. It's all going into the pad.
Yeah, it's absorbing.
When we go home and wash it out, all the dirt will come out into the bathtub.
And another thing this orbital motion does, it digs up stuff deep down in the carpet that vacuum cleaners leave behind, because a lot of people vacuum their carpets a lot, but there's still stuff that gets embedded that won't come out with the vacuum cleaner. This loosens everything up, so.
Oh, when we were at the house before I come over, I told Joe this is only going to take about 5 minutes. He said, don't go too fast because the customer will think they didn't get that good a job. I was like, well, I can only go so slow.
All right, you doing the hallway too?
Yeah, oh yes, we are doing the hall.
I say, don't get too happy.
Well then, let me
Going over the living room over and over again. You haven't even done the hallway
yeah,
yet.
the hall needs done. That's another thing to do. Go open the back blinds, Joe, and film the hall.
I'll try.
You can make my hair soft.
What's that?
My hair ball.
Oh yes, that's. Is that you or the cat?
Sadly, that's me.
Oh, that's you. Shoot, I let the sprayer down.
Well, nice and
Welcome to
nice and
having hair.
I used to have long hair down to my waist.
I'm gonna get out of there so I don't get sprayed.
Okay.
Honestly, I think it's a little dull.
Yeah, cat and human.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, when he came over here to bid this job, I guess a couple birds flew in the apartment while the door was open.
Yeah, we didn't know how to get them out. I've never seen it happen before.
Yeah, but the cat was locked in the room, so he didn't get to take advantage.
No.
God.
Yeah,
I could just imagine the cat going up those blinds. That'd be so fun to watch, chasing birds around the house.
Well, I'll be chasing his butt around the house then.
Yeah. This is the reason we're not getting our deposit back. I could just see it already.
Yeah, that's why.
Yes, you could put a sign on him and shame him. So I'm the reason we're not getting our deposit back.
No, I'm gonna order all the blinds and then I'm gonna put them in. I'll be like, hey, get all
Yeah.
my deposit back.
Oh yeah, wait till you're ready to move and then put them in.
So the haul will be real short, but that'll be the end of it, and then we'll have us a little video for people on YouTube to watch, and the carpets are clean for the customer, and we'll go home, and everybody will just be happy.
All right.
But I'll tell you guys, these microfibers, I'm very impressed with them. They seem like, I mean, I've always used the Oreck bonnets, and they work real well, but these things seem to work very, very quick. The scrub strips on them just scrub everything out.
When you get done with this, if you want to go play with the living room a little bit longer, you can.
If I do, it'll only be to stretch out the video.
Well, I mean, just go, make sure all the carpet's fluffed up the same since you...
I think someone's beating on the ceiling below us.
Yeah, they're probably getting upset, think it's too noisy.
That's too bad. They can come up here and I'll deal with them in person.
I'll put links in the video description for the machine and for where to get these pads and everything. I'll also put a link in there for our Facebook group if you want to go in there and learn about carpet cleaning and stuff like that.
Did you hear that? Someone's still knocking.
Yeah, go stop in a minute.
Reminds me of that old song, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I don't want you, buddy, whoever you are.
Is it really that loud down there?
It's
No, it's like a vibrating sound. Yeah, have you ever been downstairs when you heard someone vacuuming upstairs?
No.
It's kind. You can hear it a little bit.
Not too bad.
I've only lived in one story.
But you have a right to get your carpets cleaned. They can't deny you that.
You done?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna knock it off right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
It's just an El Quico little carpet cleaning video, guys.
Yeah. Till next time. Thanks for watching.